Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
How are
afternoon.
you
Good
all?
evening, ma'am.
How are you all? How
Fine,
many of
ma'am.
you have responded to
Majama.
that assignment regarding online communication, online teaching? You have seen the assignment in the classroom, Google Classroom? Anybody responded? We were doing about methods of communication, correct? Verbal communication we were talking about. I gave you in nutshell yesterday the idea about various methods of communication, correct? No? Verbal communication is of how many types?
Two
Two
types.
What are those types?
oral and
Oral
written.
and written.
Correct?
Yes.
How many of you feel that you should see each other during virtual classroom? You are feeling that physical classroom is better or this is better? What do you
Physical.
think?
Physical classroom is better.
Why? Eh, Because ये सब नहीं होएगा, पीछे से बैकग्राउंड नॉइस नहीं आएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so verbal communication is of two types, oral and written. Correct? Now what is oral communication? Oral communication is also of two types,
Face
na?
to
Face to face and
face telephonic
telephonic.
communication.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you communicate face to face, yesterday somebody put the message, Abhishek or somebody, Yogesh or Abhishek, who put the message regarding lecture, that can you engage the lecture? Somebody put me the message from your class only, that can you engage the lecture at 12? Who was that fellow? I just want to know. No issues.
मैम मैंने तो नहीं बोला.
कौन? किसने बोला?
नहीं मालूम. मैं अभिषेक बोल रहा हूँ.
अभिषेक. योगेश है कोई? क्लास में योगेश है कोई? I'm just asking, no issues. Even if you have asked me, is not the problem at all. कोई है ही नहीं. वाई अभिषेक योगेश. मुझे ऐसे ही लग रहा है अभिषेक या योगेश नाम था. ध्यान नहीं आ रहा है मुझे. अभिषेक भी दो है ना? आज एक ही दिखाई दे रहा है शायद.
हाँ मैम.
हो सकता है वो दूसरे अभिषेक ने डाला हो मैसेज. ओके, सो यू वांटेड टू आस्क मी कि मैं ले सकती हूँ ऐसे. इफ आई एम फ्री आई कैन ऑलवेज एंगेज योर लेक्चर अर्लियर देन, बट आई नीड टू इन्फॉर्म people in the authority that I am engaging this lecture instead of this lecture and all. And I couldn't engage lecture today at the earlier time because I have been assigned some important duty related to exam. Semester 6 exams have started, you know that, no? From today. जिन लोगों को, जो लोग लास्ट ईयर ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन में हैं, उनके आज से एग्जाम शुरू हुए हैं. डू यू नो दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I have been assigned some important duty. Because of that I couldn't engage. Even if you wanted me to engage, I couldn't have engaged that 12 to 12:50 lecture, even if I am free. And that's mostly the lunch time, no? And I have I have aged people in my family who are dependent on me. So things become a little different for me.
Face to
Okay?
face and telephonic.
Yeah, face to face and
Telephone.
telephonic. but still I can engage in case it is needed. Okay, so that is not the issue, but one is face to face, another is telephonic, correct? Now when we communicate face to face, what happens? We all communicate face to face since our childhood, correct? Correct, no? We all communicate, no, face to face.
Yes.
So what happens during face to face communication? Do you have to spend anything for face to face communication? Hello? All of you do face to face communication, no?
Yes.
So what happens when you communicate face to face?
All doubts can be easily cleared.
Okay, what else? बार बार स्क्रीन जा क्यों रहा है? स्क्रीन शेयर. Yes, all doubts can be easily shared. And what else? Face to face communication is time saving, correct? Is it clear? You save a lot of time, no, in communicating face to face, correct? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Whether it is telephonic or it's oral communication, it's time saving. You can communicate immediately. But in telephonic communication, what can happen? Connectivity may be issue. But in face-to-face communication, that is not the issue. Time saving, correct? Then what else? You need not spend anything. Face-to-face communication के लिए कुछ spend करना पड़ता है?
No, ma'am.
Correct? So it is cost effective as well, correct? It saves your money as well, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? So it is cost effective. Okay? It's time saving. Number two, it's cost effective. You need not spend money. Correct? Like you told that doubts can be cleared easily. So you get immediate feedback. Correct?
Yes.
Clear? So it is time saving, cost effective, immediate feedback. From the facial expressions of the person, you can understand whether the receiver or listener has understood whatever you communicated or not. Correct, no? So immediate feedback is possible. Then you say doubts can be cleared immediately. Is it clear? Doubts can be cleared immediately. Is it clear?
Yes.
So first it is time saving, second it's money saving, correct? Its immediate feedback is possible, doubts can be cleared immediately. Then what else? It's suitable for all type of people, na? Suitable for all, literate, illiterate, correct? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
It's suitable for all, literate, illiterate, correct?
Yes.
What else? It can be
Yes.
oral communication can be used for large gathering even, correct? है ना? Large number of people can be addressed using oral communication, face to face communication. Hello, you are able to understand whatever I am saying? But what are the disadvantages? These are the advantages. That doubts can be cleared, immediate feedback, face to face, time saving, suitable for literate related, large gathering even, correct? But what are the now in telephonic communication also we have all these things possible, correct? What is not possible? Only telephonic communication is not cost effective, means you have to spend, correct? In case of telephonic communication we have to spend money, correct? No, is it clear? But all these advantages are there, suitable for all illiterate, literate, for large gathering, time saving, immediate feedback, doubts can be cleared, correct? Now in telephonic communication as well. Hello, I am doing simultaneously advantage of oral communication, face to face and telephonic. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what are the disadvantages of face to face communication? No proof. What you have said ना, until face to face communication का कोई proof है कि आपने उसको क्या बोला, उसने आपको क्या बोला? Is there any proof of face to face communication? No proof. So no legal validity. Clear? Third,
Chance of misunderstanding.
yes, chances of misunderstanding. What else? Not suitable for, it is not suitable for whom? Not suitable for deaf and dumb, correct? जिनको सुनाई नहीं देता उनके लिए फेस टू फेस ओरल कम्युनिकेशन और टेलीफोनिक कम्युनिकेशन नहीं सुटेबल है ना, करेक्ट? नाउ इन केस ऑफ टेलीफोनिक कम्युनिकेशन it is legal proof only and only if you record it, correct? अगर आप टेलीफोनिक कम्युनिकेशन को रिकॉर्ड करते हो तो वो एक लीगल प्रूफ होता है, correct na? Otherwise no proof, no legal validity. If recorded, then only legal proof and validity. Otherwise it has all those disadvantages which are there in oral communication. Is it clear? For legal proof, for validity also, for recording also you have to spend, no? इंस्ट्रूमेंट डिवाइस होना चाहिए ना रिकॉर्डिंग का, करेक्ट? अभी स्मार्टफोन में है बट पहले वाले फोन्स में कहाँ आता था रिकॉर्डिंग? आता था क्या एकदम सिंपल फोन में? और लैंडलाइन में रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं है ना? इज इट क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? हेलो, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
If recorded, then only legal proof and validity, otherwise No legal proof. There are chances of misunderstanding, not suitable for deaf and dumb. Correct? What else? Connectivity issue is another disadvantage in case of telephonic communication. So connectivity issue is there. Correct? So telephonic communication के disadvantage क्या है? You have to spend money. Second, if recorded, then only it has legal proof and validity. Third, connectivity issue. Correct? What else? There are chances of misunderstanding in telephonic communication as well. It is also not suitable for deaf and dumb unless and unless you have that special device which is used for people, handicapped people. Correct? किसी किसी जो स्पेशल बनाए जाते हैं टेलीफोन डेफ डम के लिए, उसमें क्या होता है, आपको साउंड जो है वो ट्रांसक्राइब होके मिलती है. मालूम है क्या? जैसे आप गूगल क्लासरूम में जाओगे, अगर आप गूगल डॉक टाइप करते हो तो उसमें एक स्पीकर है. अगर आप अपना जो डॉक्यूमेंट आपको टाइप करना है, अगर वो बोलते हो तो वो अपने आप टाइप भी होता जाता है. You know this facility is there in Google Classroom, Google Doc if you open. Do you know it? Similarly, some devices are there where whatever is, suppose I am talking to somebody who is deaf and dumb, then the person is having that particular type of mobile handset, or then what happens, that sound is transcribed into words. Okay, and then the person can read whatever I am communicating to that person. So if that special device is there, then only it is suitable for deaf and dumb. Is it clear? Otherwise it is not suitable. Do you know that landline में एक ऐसा device attach कर सकते हो आप? Suppose in case the person with whom you want to talk is not available, उसको कॉन्फ्रेंस मशीन बोलते हैं. मालूम है क्या? Hello, I am talking to you all only. Do you know that there is a device which is attached to recording machine, which is attached to your landline? If you are not available, that machine will give the message that the person is not available. Then you can leave your number and name, and the person when returns will come to know who has made the call at what time, what is the name of the person, and what is the telephone number of the person. Is it clear? Hello. Okay, so there are
Yes.
advanced type of telephones as well with which you can connect to people even if they are deaf and handicap and all, blind and all, but then they need to have that special type of phone. In all phones that facility is not there. Is it clear? So oral communication, face-to-face communication has certain disadvantages as well as certain advantages. Clear? In oral communication, you have to use that common medium of communication. Correct? If you are communicating in a language which the receiver don't understand, then what you need to do? You need to have a translator with you. Correct? So that is also you need to say. But when you hire the translation theater, then you have to pay, and then it becomes costly. Is it clear? So you can also write as much as you write. See, there is no harm in writing the advantage and disadvantage in different situations. Okay, what can be the disadvantage of face-to-face communication otherwise? Sometimes even if you are using the same language, the language barrier is there. Correct? What is language barrier? Do you understand? I explain. Language barrier means suppose I use the word. Correct? He is very fast. Correct? Third, they are fast friends. Is it clear? So what is the meaning of fast? In fast is same meaning? Fast is having the same meaning all the three sentences?
No,
I am
ma'am.
fasting today. He is very fast. They are fast friends. What is the meaning in first sentence? I am fasting today.
उपवास रखना.
So it's about you are not having food today. You have kept the fast. Upwas. Correct? He is very fast. It tells about the speed. Correct? The person is fast in speaking. The person may be fast in running. The person may be fast in writing. The person may be fast in understanding things. Correct? They are fast friends. What it means? They are intimate friends. Okay? हिंदी में घनिष्ठ बोलते हैं. समझता है घनिष्ठ क्या होता है? आप
नहीं.
हाँ
Close friend.
नहीं समझता है?
Man, close.
हाँ पक्के दोस्त. आपको
हाँ.
प्लेन लैंग्वेज में बोलूं पक्के दोस्त बोलते हो ना आप, वो मेरा पक्का दोस्त है. वैसे
हाँ,
कोई
हाँ,
किसी का
हाँ.
पक्का दोस्त नहीं होता
Close
आज की
friend.
दुनिया में, फिर भी हम बोल देते हैं. ठीक है? Is it clear? Fast friend means intimate friends. गहरी दोस्ती होना, deep friendship. Okay?
Yes.
Is it clear? So language
Yes.
barrier is there. So these are the disadvantage. As there are advantages, so are the disadvantages. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Then
Yes,
we
ma'am.
come
Yes.
to written communication. Now written communication means we use language in writing. Correct? Oral communication means spoken. Okay? Spoken. Language used while speaking. Used in speaking. Correct? Okay? Suppose you get define oral communication. So we use language when we speak is known as oral communication, which can be face to face as well as written. Sorry, face to face and telephonic. And written communication means language used in writing. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sometimes students write oral communication means when we use mouth to speak. I mean, we can't use anything else to speak. We use mouth only. Is it clear? So you have to make proper sentence. Is it clear? Though we understand when you say that language used, mouth used to speak, that we understand that you are talking about oral communication, but that is not the correct way of defining. Is it clear? Written communication means language in writing. Okay, so there are various types of written communication: letters, essays, reports, newspaper, books. All are your written communication, whatever is available in print. Correct? Printed material. There is endless list. I can't give you all presentations and all. Memo, this, that, बहुत है, notice, circular, agenda. There are means there is a big list of written communication. So what is written communication? Each language used in writing. There are varieties of written communication. So what are the advantage and disadvantage of written communication that we will do? Okay. Now what are the advantage? Let us do advantage. What is the advantage?
Legal proof.
Yes. So advantage is number one. Whatever are the disadvantage of oral communication, those will be advantage of written communication. Whatever were the disadvantage of oral communication, then will be advantage. Is it clear?
Yes.
Legal proof. As it is valid, no legal proof and valid. Because when you write something, that time what happens, you have a proof, है ना, legal validity. So proof and legal proof and valid document, correct, written communication. Second, what is second? What are the disadvantages? चलो advantage नहीं मालूम तो disadvantage ही बता दो.
Ma'am, lack of disputes.
हाँ, lack of
Dispute.
dispute. क्यों? Disadvantage क्या है? It's time consuming, correct?
Teacher, advantage में.
Time consuming है ना, you have to think, you have to write, you have to use, time consuming, costly. Correct. Number one, time consuming. Number two, costly. ठीक है. What is third disadvantage? It can be used only for literate people, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Literates. Suitable for, apt for literate only. ठीक है. Suitable for literates only. ठीक है. और क्या disadvantage है?
मैम अगर लेटर है तो फिर वो पढ़ भी सकते हैं.
हाँ, फट भी सकता है.
मैम लेटर रहेगा मतलब पोस्ट करते हैं तो अगर उसमें डिले होता है तो
No immediate feedback, delayed feedback. Correct? Delayed feedback. Is it clear?
Yes.
But advantage क्या है? It is a proof, legal proof, valid है. ठीक है. Second advantage क्या है? It can be referred again. Reference is possible. Reference. ओके, यूज फॉर रेफरेंस. सपोज आपने एक लेटर लिखा है आज किसी को, आप उसको 10 दिन के बाद भी वापस देख सकते हो ना. दैट इज नोन एज रेफरेंस. ओके, रेफरेंस इज पॉसिबल. अभी सपोज मैंने ये एडवांटेज बताया है, तो oral communication का what is the disadvantage? In oral communication, reference is not possible. Is it clear? So you can add in oral communication disadvantage, that no legal proof, no validity, no reference is possible. Is it clear? आप ऐड कर लो, अपने लिखा है ना पॉइंट्स, oral communication का disadvantage उसमें एक लिख लो. No एकदम क्लोज. यस, इंग्लिश में क्लोज बोलते हैं. ईयर प्लग क्या? फॉर बिजनेस. यस, आई नो. जनरेट आइडिया. नो बैकग्राउंड नॉइस कम्स. यस. Who is saying this? Tripti. Tripti, you have sent the message to me that will you be able to engage 12 o'clock lecture? No, no. Okay. So, in case of written communication, you can refer to it again and again after 5 years, even if you keep the document with you. Correct? So, oral communication का disadvantage क्या है? It can't be referred again. Note down in your notebook under oral communication disadvantage. Is it clear? और क्या advantage है? Written communication का. You all use written communication in your day-to-day life now, so you must know what is the advantage of written communication. Hello. क्या हुआ, सब लोग म्यूट हो गए हो क्या?
नहीं मैम,
फिर ऑरल और रिटन कम्युनिकेशन का एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज नहीं बता सकते?
सोच रहे।
क्या सोच रहे हो? क्या हो सकता है और एडवांटेज ओरल कम्युनिकेशन, सॉरी रिटन कम्युनिकेशन का? It can be sent to anybody anywhere. For large gatherings. आप उसका कितना भी कॉपी करके भेज सकते हो ना नाउअडेज। पोस्ट के थ्रू आप किधर भी भेज सकते हो ना। People at distant places even ना। नहीं क्या? अरे लेटर भेज सकते हो कि नहीं, बुक भेज सकते हो कि नहीं, न्यूज़पेपर किधर से किधर भी जाता है कि नहीं? हाँ या ना भी नहीं बोल सकते।
हाँ मैम।
सो रहे हो? You are sleeping? It can be sent to people at distant places even, correct? What else? What are the other benefits? If you don't understand anything, you can ask for clarification, correct? कि नहीं पूछ सकते हो? I am rubbing it, हाँ, क्योंकि जगह नहीं है, स्पेस नहीं है लिखने के लिए। You have the proof that time that you have asked person, okay? Okay, so it's good for business, no? Correct? But what is another disadvantage? Misinterpretation, misunderstanding can happen even in written communication, correct? Communication too. Is it clear? Understood? Then what is another advantage of written communication? In written communication also there can be language barrier. जो मैंने आपको oral communication में बताया वो language barrier written communication में भी हो सकता है, correct? So and written communication can be preserved. लाइफ लॉन्ग. आप अपना मार्कशीट और दूसरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स, बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट वगैरह लाइफ लॉन्ग रखते हो कि नहीं? ऑरल कम्युनिकेशन को लाइफ लॉन्ग प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं if it is recorded then only. Correct? Written communication can be preserved for lifelong. Is it clear?
Yes.
Even if you are, see, you are going for online admission, virtual class, सब कुछ हो रहा है online, digital, but आपको फिर भी बोला जाता है ना, keep a copy of your admission form with you. बोलते हैं कि नहीं बोलते हैं?
बोलते हैं.
So that is what written communication, correct? So you are asked to preserve it. So whatever written document you have, you can preserve it for lifelong. So it is legal proof, it is valid, it can be referred again. Is it clear? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear? What else? Written communication. Disadvantage
Yes.
समझ आया? It is time consuming, it is costly, not suitable for illiterates, only suitable for literates. Written communication किसके लिए suitable है? Literates के लिए, but deaf and dumb के लिए भी suitable है. Correct? Deaf and dumb, if the person is literate, can be used, na? Correct? So किसके लिए अनसुटेबल, किसके लिए नॉट सुटेबल फॉर इलिटरेट्स? दिया था ये पॉइंट मैंने डिसएडवांटेज में, नॉट सुटेबल फॉर इलिटरेट्स. हेलो, अरे कुछ बोलो ना.
Yes, ma'am.
दिया था ये पॉइंट, नॉट सुटेबल फॉर इलिटरेट्स.
दिए भी आप.
अच्छा, और क्या हो सकता है डिसएडवांटेज रिटन कम्युनिकेशन का? कैन यू टेल मी एनी डिसएडवांटेज? सोचते नहीं हो लगता है.
टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है.
वो मैंने दिया ना, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, कॉस्टली है, नॉट सुटेबल फॉर इलिटरेट है, और लैंग्वेज बैरियर है, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, मिसइंटरप्रिटेशन कैन हैपन, delayed feedback. Correct? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we come to next. What is next? Written communication is generally used, it is mostly used for official purposes, na? Good for official communication, ना? करेक्ट? क्योंकि ऑफिशियल कम्युनिकेशन में आपको फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन में रिकॉर्ड की ज्यादा जरूरत रहती है. करेक्ट? आप नेबरहुड में किसी से कुछ बात कर रहे हो, उसके लिए आपको ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो यू कैन कम्युनिकेट orally, telephonic, but for official and formal communication, written communication is must, है ना? Must for official and formal communication. समझ आया? Written communication must है. Is it clear to you? To preserve knowledge, knowledge को अगर आपको preserve करना है तो क्या जरूरी है? Written communication ना. मैंने अभी बताया था, रिकॉर्ड के लिए रख सकते हैं ना इसको. So written communication can be used for preservation of knowledge. ठीक है? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
कितने डिसएडवांटेज हुए और कितने एडवांटेज हुए? नेक्स्ट वी कम टू ऑडियो विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कम्युनिकेशन, ठीक है ना? नहीं, नॉन वर्बल भी बाकी है ना अभी, तो लेट अस कम टू नॉन वर्बल. What is non-verbal communication? Non-verbal communication means no use of language, okay, or hardly any use of language. हार्डली एनी यूज ऑफ लैंग्वेज, ठीक है? तो कौन क्या क्या आता है मैंने कल डिटेल में आपको बताया था. पिक्चर्स, पोस्टर्स, जेस्चर्स, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन, साइलेंस, साइन, सिग्नल, सिंबल, चार्ट, ग्राफ, फ्लो चार्ट, मैप्स, okay, sound, even sound is part of non-verbal communication. Color, is it clear? So there are variety of non-verbal communication. So body language, correct, facial expressions, which is part of body language only. Gesture, posture, ये सब body language का ही part है, okay? Gesture, posture, is it clear? Silence, dress and grooming, और क्या? प्रॉक्सिमिटी, प्रॉक्सिमिटी यू समझते हो? स्पेस, पैरा लैंग्वेज, बहुत सारी चीजें आती है नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में. कलर, पिक्चर्स, ओके, ग्राफ, चार्ट्स, पोस्टर्स, फ्लो चार्ट, मैप, देन साउंड्स, सिग्नल, symbol, sign. Is it clear? So all these are non-verbal communication. Hello, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Etc. There may be more as well, na? So I am writing etc. Clear? Now don't use language, or you hardly use any language to communicate. Is it clear? So that is non-verbal communication. Now your body language says a lot about you. How do you stand? How do you sit? How do you talk? How do you walk? Okay, what type of facial expressions you have, whether you are smiling, sad, okay, weeping, crying, unhappy, happy, your facial expressions. Silence, when I ask you a question, if you don't know the answer, then also you are silent. Sometimes you know the answer but not willing to answer, then also you may be silent. Now your dress indicates that whether your dress and grooming indicates a lot, okay? How? If you are wearing shiny dress, okay, so most of the time shiny dress, bright colored dress then you are celebrating some occasion. If you are wearing white, light colored white dress or black colored dress, it means you are going for funeral procession mostly. Means, correct? So your dress, you are grooming. What type of, now if suppose somebody has worn jewelry a lot, okay, and hairstyle is different than the regular hairstyle, then you understand now the person may be going to party, may be going to marriage, correct? So your dress and grooming tells a lot about you. Proximity, space. Now if you are close to any of your classmates, you sit together, so there is a proximity, okay, between you, nearness. But if you don't, I mean, if suppose somebody is not comfortable with you, can sit at a distance from you. So space counts. Now, if you don't like somebody, you may sit at the back. Okay. Suppose you are listening to somebody and you don't like the person. Okay. I'm just giving example. So you may go to the last bench to listen to that person. If you like the person, you may sit at the front bench even, or you may be even indifferent. You may not like the person, you may like the person, you don't have any issue, so you may sit in the middle even. Okay. Then para language, with the language which you use, with your body language, there is a language. So that para language also tells about you, what type of, whether you are showing interest in understanding, listening to the person, whether you are not showing any interest in listening to the person. Okay. So color also tells a lot. Now when you go to bank, okay, all of you must be having some account in the bank, no? If you go to bank, you have to fill a different kind of slip for saving account, a different kind of slip for current account, a different kind of slip for fixed deposit. Okay. So the color is also used for business communication. Is it clear? Understood?
Yes.
Now red color is symbol of danger. So you see red color at places indicating that it is dangerous place. Correct. Green color is symbol of greenery. White color is symbol of peace. So color also communicates. Correct. Pictures also communicate. Correct. From picture you can come to know this, any picture, whether it's good occasion, bad occasion, okay, whether people are celebrating, not celebrating. Posters also indicate a lot. See, there can be posters on social issues, there can be posters on environmental issues. So without language you can communicate, correct? On child marriage, on sati pratha, on dowry system, on environmental issues, on COVID-19 pandemic, correct? So non-verbal communication can happen through various channels. Graphs, you use graphs in economics, commerce, correct? To tell. Suppose you are talking about economic condition of India in pre-COVID era and post-COVID era. So you can use graph to make the comparison. You can use pie chart, bar charts, correct? Line graph to make comparison. You can also use, see, you use flow chart to indicate a process. Suppose you want to tell how to make tea. Okay, so you will use a flow chart, or to tell any other process. Now there is a difference between posture, P-O-S-T-U-R-E, and P-O-S-T-E-R, posture. Posture means how you stand, how you sit, how you walk. That is posture. Is it clear? Posters means which are drawn on chart paper, where you use color, design. Okay. Flowchart. Maps also indicate location. Maps are used for location, correct? Maps also tell about country, climate. Okay. area, rain. So maps can be also used for different purposes. Sounds, you use different sounds for different purpose. You know, when the college starts, the bell rings. Okay, so sounds indicate whether the college has started, whether the college has ended. Okay, your lecture has started, lecture has ended. Then you see sounds. Horn sound indicates, correct? Horn can give you idea that there is a vehicle behind you. Okay, so you need to move aside, correct? Then there are various types of other bells, na church bell, correct? The temple bell. So different sounds also communicate different things to you. Is it clear? Then we have various sign, plus, minus, multiplication, division, signals, traffic signal, symbols, various types of symbols we use in our day-to-day life. Correct? Triangle, square, okay, one way, okay, both way, two way, okay. So no parking S. Is it clear? Understood? Hello.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
it's time. You have any more lecture? No lectures?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, no,
Okay,
no.
should I end the meeting now or I should continue?
आपकी मर्जी.
Okay, very good. Can I continue?